As an instructor, you have some choices and options when it comes to the new Evergreen release in ALEKS. When duplicating and updating your course for the new semester, you can choose whether you want to stay in the edition you're in or update to the new Evergreen edition of the textbook that you're using. You'll know that your course is ready to be upgraded to Evergreen by this yellow banner at the top of your screen. When clicked into your current course, the yellow banner states that this class is not using the latest content release, and you can go to the new releases page for more information. On that new releases page, you'll see all of our titles that are releasing in Evergreen, as well as some notes, details, and previews for what to expect. If you're ready to go ahead and update to the newest Evergreen release, you will duplicate your course as usual for the new semester. Under Class Administration, you'll click Duplicate Class, and on the duplicate settings, you can rename the course and date as needed. Once you've renamed and dated the course for the new semester, you'll then scroll down and you'll see the textbook options. On the textbook options, you can either upgrade to the latest release or stay in the edition that you're in. There's a built-in link for frequently asked questions if you want to look into this further before making your decision. If you want to update to the latest release, you'll keep the defaulted checkbox checked. If you'd like to stay in the edition you're in, you can uncheck this checkbox and then scroll down and hit Copy Class once you've made your decision. After copying the course with the latest release, it will take you directly into the assignments page. You'll notice that all of your previous assignments will remain intact and there's no rebuilding necessary as the updates are automatic with Evergreen.